I'm here to encourage you today. If you've ever wondered whether your business actually matters, if all the hard work you're putting into it does matter, this today will encourage your heart. Starting your own business is just plain hard work. It's often the time and energy that we don't feel that we have to give or that we could be doing something vegging on the couch. Today, I want to encourage you to look at things with a little different perspective. Perspective changes everything, right? Sometimes we forget that the business we started is more than about the income. It's about your impact. Today, I want to remind you why what you're building really matters. Your why is what we're going to be focusing on today. Your why will determine whether you build this business or whether you burn out. When you connect your work to your purpose, discipline becomes easier. Your clarity grows and your decision making becomes lighter because you know the vision that you're looking at. You know the reason you're doing what you're doing. So, point one is your business helps people. Whether you sell a product, a service, or teach, it lifts somebody else's burden. It makes their life better. Point two is your purpose reduces overwhelm. When you know your why, then fear of not being enough or it not mattering or nobody understanding it or you're doing all this work for nothing dies. Point three is simplicity creates your purpose to thrive. You know, we talk about bookkeeping and systems to keep you calm because this channel is not only about helping your business thrive, it's about helping your life thrive. I want you to have a business built around your life, not a life around your business. Point number four is your business makes the world a better place. Every problem solved is a service, and you are serving people and making their world easier, less overwhelming, and maybe just brings a lot of joy to their life. You are serving someone else. So your business is a service where you bring positive change to the world around you. It changes lives. When your systems support you, your business systems, your coaching systems, your mind shifts, all of that helps you to go into your business and shine to do what you were meant to do. You were created to bring good into the world, and your business is one of the ways you do that. So don't quit. Remember the why and get back to it. If this helped you at all today, or you need some bookkeeping help or systems help in your business, I'm here every Friday evening with another video to help you. My website is where I'm building a library of things to help you on this entrepreneurial journey. Please let me know in the comments below anything that you need to make your business be all it can be, whether it's your mindset, whether it's your systems, whether it's anything to do with bookkeeping. Let me know. I want to make a video to help everybody else. All right. See you next Friday.